Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to make the Haitian style potato salad. So what you're going to need is some beets and potatoes. I know I have 2 potatoes here, but I actually ended up using 3 potatoes. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna put your beets in a pan, put some water in there and just let it cook. And for my potatoes, I peeled them and also put them in a pot and let those cook. And what you're going to need, a pan. I have 4 tablespoons of mayo, some salt and pepper. Even though the adobo is here, I ended up not using it because I didn't need it. So what you want to do once your beet is cooked, go ahead and let it cool down, and then you want to peel it. It's very messy, so you guys can use a glove if you want, but I don't mind it. So I went ahead and just used my hands and peel them off. And then after that, I'm going to cut them into bite-sized pieces. You guys can always cut it to your desired look or how you want them to be. So that's what I'm doing here. And then I'm also going to do the same thing with my potatoes. I did not let my potatoes get to a crumbling state. I only let it be firm, but it cooked all the way. So that's what you want to do here. Okay guys, so once that is done, I am adding about half of my mayo in my pan just so I can stir it in so it's not sitting in one area. So you want to take your time and just go through it all and let that mayo work through the potato salad. And once I make sure that it's not just sitting in one area, I'm going to go ahead and add the remainder of the mayo. Alright, so now I'm just gonna add the remainder of my mayo in here. And also, if you guys want more mayo than just 4 tablespoons of mayo like I'm using, you can always add to your liking, guys. I'm just giving you a recipe that you can follow, but remember, we can always tweak these recipes to what we want them to be. So just, have at it. So I'm just making sure that I'm stirring it in, and then I'm going to add my salt and pepper. And then once you add your salt and pepper, go ahead and taste it, and if it's what you want, then you could stop right there. And if you want more, or you want to make it more bold, you can add different spices if you want. But that's all I'm about to do to this, and then that's pretty much gonna be it to it. Alright guys, so I added my salt, I added my pepper, I tasted. It's exactly what I wanted it to be. So that's pretty much it. Just a very quick, easy recipe. I just wanted to show you guys a different style of the potato salad, the way my culture cooks it. So I hope you guys enjoy it. And if you want, you can check out my turkey video that actually goes with this side dish right here. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. And for those of you returning, thanks always for tuning in. Until next time, guys. Bye.